are an eagle and you spend time with chickens, you will end up not flying. Even when we have strong wings to fly, you end up believing because you adopt the chicken mentality. And these things, my friend, they enter you gradually. In the studies of physiology, when I was doing second year at the university, there was an experiment about a frog. When you put a frog in water and you put it on a stove and you increase the temperature, the frog, the temperature keeps increasing. Even when the frog feels uncomfortable, you can keep increasing the temperature gradually until the frog dies boiled in this water. Hallelujah. Praise be to God. It does not jump out. But if you take water that is boiling and you try to throw it in, it jumps out. The reason on the first one it dies in the water is because as you raise the temperature slightly, it adjusts to the temperature and say, this is my comfort zone. I can take this. Hallelujah. You keep increasing it. It adjusts its body temperature and say, I'm comfortable. I can live with this. Until the whole thing chokes it, kills it. Many people are adjusting to that kind of comfort zone. They keep adjusting to this abnormal situation and become comfortable in it and refuse to come out of it.